The purpose of a footing is to support the load of our structure, so it's very important that we do this right. The four things to remember when we're sizing and designing a footing correctly: we want to worry about water table if it's present, we want to worry about the soil types that we're working on, we want to know if we're in a seismic area, and we also want to make certain that we do have the load of the structure designed into that footing. Consult your local building codes to make certain what you're doing is done correctly. At Logix, it's very important. We believe that what we start right finishes right, and if we're level at the bottom, we're going to be perfectly level at the top.
To begin with, you want your footing to be level to within 1/4 of an inch. Getting this right will really help us later on. Once the forms are installed, we place all of the vertical rebar dowels as specified.
When we're doing our step footings, always remember that we want to make certain we do those in Logix friendly dimensions to maximize our efficiency. 8-inch, 12-inch, 16-inch, 24-inch, those are all increments that will work very well with our product, and it'll keep us from having to make horizontal cuts, which will speed up the process.
Once the footings are ready, you can begin your layout for the Logix forms. After you have made sure your layout is squared up, snap chalk lines according to the plan. Snap your lines to the inside or outside edge of the form. After you've got the layout snapped down, you can bring the bundles over, but be sure to keep them at least 7 feet from the wall, as this space will be necessary for the bracing system. Once you've placed all the bundles, open them all at once.
So let's review. Remember to always consult with building codes to make certain that we've sized our footings correctly. Always have your footings within 1/4 of an inch of level. When we're doing a step footing, remember Logix friendly dimensions are 8 inches or 16 inches so that we don't have to do any horizontal cutting. When we've laid out our building dimensions, make sure that we've clearly marked them and they're accurate, and that we protect them if necessary. And when we're placing the bundles of our forms, make certain that we place them correctly all the way around the perimeter, but keep them within 7 feet or away from the wall by 7 feet, so that when our alignment system is put in place, we're not having any obstructions there. Now let's build a wall.